So in today's podcast, हम जानेंगे क्या AI सही में ह्यूमंस को रिप्लेस कर रहा है?
AI generative.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous.
क्या AI सही में ह्यूमंस की नौकरियां खा जाएगा?
4,000 people fired from a single company on a single day. The reason they've been fired, AI has taken their jobs. Literally that.
क्या AI आने वाले टाइम में वर्ल्ड पे रूल कर रहा होगा?
Artificial intelligence is coming for your job. AI is going to replace you. In just a few years, we'll all be out of work.
Let's welcome our CEO Harshita Chopra. So simple question first. Where did it actually begins? Not the polished version, but the real one.
I actually always had the zeal that I want to do my own business. I never wanted to go for a job or something like a 9 to 5, right? So I even cleared a bank exam, but then I was like, no, this is not for me. So that is how it began. तो एक zeal था कि नहीं अपना business ही करना है.
Okay. So what was the triggering point for you? Like what triggered?
So back in 2016, my dad, he came here. He had a surgery, a heart surgery, and came here in Mohali. So we were just discussing, and then he suggested that okay, because I was actually working at that time in some company.
Okay.
So I thought, okay, he suggested, okay, why don't you go with the business? And because I always wanted to start one, and I thought, okay, now because एक बड़ों का आशीर्वाद भी मिल जाता है. He said that okay, let's keep the name also Techno Radiant. So we were just discussing over a dinner table. He suggested the name, I liked it, and then this is how it started.
The big one is AI. Everybody is scared or just overhyping it. Me as an employee, I feel some days कि कहीं AI हमारी jobs तो नहीं ले जाएगा. So what do you have in your mind about AI?
The next big thing is AI. The government is promoting it. The countries are promoting it. They are putting a lot of money on research. Of course, AI से बहुत impact आया है. IT companies में बहुत impact आया, I would say. But जो AI है वो लोगों को replace नहीं कर रहा है. वो उन लोगों को replace कर रहा है जो upgrade नहीं हो रहे हैं. So AI is there for you to use it, to apply it, and to increase your productivity. It's not there to take your jobs.
मतलब ये वो रेस है जहाँ पे हमें दौड़ना ही पड़ेगा.
Of course.
एक कंपनी है मैम जिसने काफ़ी बड़ी अमाउंट में लोगों को फायर करा है. कहीं ना कहीं उसका रीज़न हमारे जो नॉलेज में है वो ये है कि AI की वजह से.
तो हो सकता है. रीज़न बीइंग जैसे अब बहुत सारे ऐसे टूल्स हैं जब हमें पहले when we used to give quotations to our clients, तो we used to take like कि इस टास्क में मान लो 30 days लगेंगे and it will require maybe 40 people, right? The same task is now being done in maybe 10 days, requiring maybe a team of 5 to 6 people. So of course, many companies have fired a lot of people because of AI, but also because कि जो टास्क पहले बहुत टाइम ले रहा था या उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा रिसोर्सेज की ज़रूरत थी, अब वही टास्क जो है इट्स ईजी टू डू एंड लेस टाइम एंड विद लेस रिसोर्सेज. सो येस, जो चीज़ मतलब जो टीम में पहले 50 लोग होते थे, द सेम टीम नाउ हैज़ 5 people. So of course companies are firing because of that reason, but again it doesn't say that humans will not be involved. जो ह्यूमन क्रिएटिविटी है, एक्सपीरियंस है, इमोशन है, वो हमेशा जो है it will be in the market.
So do you think मैम बिजनेस ओनर्स जो हैं हायरिंग बंद करके AI यूज़ करना शुरू कर देंगे?
हायरिंग बंद तो नहीं होगी, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि एक मान लो एक लार्ज प्रोजेक्ट है, उसमें कोई इशू आ गया तो जो क्लाइंट है वो खुद से रिजॉल्व नहीं करेगा. ही वुड 100% नीड एन एजेंसी टू डू इट फॉर हिम, राइट? सो ऐसा नहीं है कि दे विल बी डूइंग ऑन देयर ओन, बट येस, अगर आप AI यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हो आज के टाइम में तो यू आर ऑलरेडी लैगिंग बिहाइंड योर कंपेटिटर्स. सो businesses will need to use tools, will need to use AI, will need to have better content, will need to have a better marketing using AI. But yes, they'll not actually fire people or will stop hiring people.
Okay. So apart from being a CEO, what is your day like? How is your day divided?
So I've got 2 kids. I wake up, send my elder one to the school. Then I
Okay.
come to the office, go back, play with both the kids, make a schedule for the next day, make a schedule for the meetings. I am also the president of BJP Mahila Morcha, so
Okay.
get my give my some time
Mhm.
to that part as well, my volunteering tasks.
Okay. So as you mentioned, you are a BJP Mahila Morcha president. So recently, the bill was denied in the parliament. What are your views on that?
Very unfortunate. Women were rejected of their rights. So yeah, I guess ये पिछले 27 साल से हो रहा है. ये बिल बार बार आता है, बार बार रिजेक्ट होता है ऑपोजिशन की वजह से. Probably it will pass in the coming days. But yeah, this is very unfortunate. I mean, as a nation, if I think about it, not as a political party, it is like denying the basic right to some, half of your population. So, yes.
मैम कुछ टिप्स हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए अगर आप देना चाहते हो जो पर्सन स्टार्टअप करने लगे हैं.
Patience and perseverance. बहुत पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा before you get your clients, before you get your first check. And perseverance is the key. Keep on doing it, keep on trying it. Nothing in the world can stop you. यही 2 tips हैं for you guys.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम. आई होप गाइज आप सबके लिए पॉडकास्ट वैल्यूएबल रहा होगा. एंड इफ आई मिस्ड सम क्वेश्चंस, do mention that in comment section, and also do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next part.